Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make deep-fried apple pie. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh apples, pre-made pie crust, sugar, and cinnamon. Begin by peeling, coring, and dicing your apples into small, uniform pieces. Then, combine these apple pieces with about 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a squeeze of lemon juice to prevent browning and enhance flavor. Next, gently cook your apple mixture in a saucepan over medium heat for about 5 minutes, just until the apples begin to soften. While the filling cools slightly, roll out your pie crust dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Use a 4-inch round cutter or knife to create individual pie crust pieces. Place approximately 1 tablespoon of the cooled apple filling onto 1/2 of each crust. Now, fold the other half of the pie crust over the apple filling, creating a half-moon shape. Use a fork to firmly crimp the edges all around, ensuring a tight seal to prevent any filling from escaping during frying. In a deep pot, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the pies in small batches for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Once fried, carefully remove the pies from the oil and place them on a wire rack set over paper towels to drain any excess oil. For a perfect finish, dust your warm, deep-fried apple pies generously with powdered sugar, or drizzle them with a simple vanilla glaze. They are best enjoyed warm. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.